Welcome to Students Founder YouTube channel. I hope you are all fine and doing great in your lives. You are watching this video on Students Founder YouTube channel, and here on our channel you can find video description about internships, scholarships. You can get to know about jobs, you can get information about conferences and competitions that are happening all around the world. And we teach you how you all can participate in them. Or you can also visit our website Students Founder, and here you can also find information about blogs. You can get to know about notes, jobs, you can get information about scholarships, etc. So I would like to request you all to please subscribe to our channel so you can stay updated with all student related stuff. So today we are discussing Global Peace Summit Turkey 2020 fully funded conference. The Global Peace Summit is an international conference to be held this year 2020 in Turkey. It is fully funded and will cover all the expenses of the participants. The IELTS and TOEFL is not required to join this conference, which is a really good thing, and moreover, anyone who is aged 16 to 35 years old can apply for this summit, which has to be held in Turkey. Let me tell you one thing, that 16 to 35 years old is a big age number. So the Global Peace Summit aims at bringing participants from around the globe, from around 100 plus countries, to support and promote peace in the world communities, so they can face and raise their voice against any kind of violence, hatred, and discrimination, and to accomplish sustainable developmental objectives and goals. In simple words, they are saying that they are inviting young leaders who can raise voice against any kind of injustice that is happening around the world, so the world can become a better place and we can sustain peace in it. So the participants' nationality does not matter at all. That is, it does not matter from which country or state you are. So no restrictions or rules are there for academic discipline, which is again a good point. You can apply to this summit with any academic field. The conference brings understanding, exposure, and interaction with youth and capacity building of youth under one umbrella. 200 plus lucky participants get selected for this conference each year, which is again and again a great number. 200 plus seats is a vast number. So about the Global Peace Summit Turkey, so the host country is Turkey. The sponsored organization is Global Peace Chain. Number of seats, as already discussed, are 200 plus. The financial coverage is fully funded, self-funded, and partially funded. Dates are from 15 to 18 October 2020, and last day to apply is August 20, 2020. Discussing the conference theme. So by taking part in different group discussions, peace sessions, activities, and talk with speakers and delegates from around the world, the participant will be provided with the opportunity to discuss their project and bring solutions on reshaping youth response to UN SDGs. The Global Peace Summit Turkey 2020 will utilize the capacity building of the young participants, exposure, social harmony, and ideation to create and establish a new impact on the world by promoting mutual understanding. So the aim of the Global Peace Chain is to engage youth in conflict resolution, amplify their voice for social justice, and create a harmonious environment among communities and societies. We already discussed the number of seats, but still the self-funded seats are 130, the partial funded seats are 50, and full funded seats are 20. So what's included in full funded? It's visa assistance, airfare tickets and accommodation, meet with like-minded young social entrepreneurs, opportunity to interact with the leaders from around the globe, leadership skills building and peace education, panel discussion, share your initiative with others, focused group discussions, keynote speeches, signatory campaign, group activities, gala night, cultural presentation, and site visit. What's included in partial funded is certificate, accommodation, meals, intra-city transfer, conference fee, conference kit, cultural evening ceremony, sightseeing, and celebration party. What's included in self-funded? So self-funded application will have the opportunity to get conference fee, certificate, sightseeing, conference kit, celebration party, cultural evening ceremony. So the eligibility criteria we already discussed is age limit is from 16 to 35 age, academic discipline from any background, skills required are highly motivated and open-minded and passionate youngsters. Young professionals and students are highly encouraged to apply. The participants should be passionate to achieve UN Sustainable Developmental Goals. So the deadline to apply for the Global Peace Summit 2020 in Turkey is 30 August 2020, the results of which will be announced on 7 September 2020. So how you can apply for Global Peace Conference in Turkey? So the application for it is online. You can visit the official website, which is this, the Global Peace Summit Turkey 2020. All of the details are mentioned here. You can click on this link and fill the form here. Thank you. Dear viewers, I hope you learned something new today and enjoyed watching this video. If you have some questions, you can ask us in the comment section below. Till then, goodbye, have a good day.